Good morning, dear learners. Today I am again here in front of you, Neeraj Verma, while presenting you a new video that is 20 steps to improve English. Many of you were just requesting to present one more video to improve English of the learners while sitting at their own home. Dear learners, today let me tell you first of all, to learn any language we require four basic learning skills, that is LSRW: listening, speaking, reading and writing. So we need to improve all these four. We can't say our listening is okay, reading, writing is okay, but our speaking is problematic. It means we have to improve our four. We can't command over only one skill. So, dear learners, today I have tried my best to teach you some of the steps which will enable you to become a good English speaker and listener, and you can improve your reading and writing too. So, let us discuss some of the steps here. Dear friends, as you can see in the very first picture, find English speakers. So first of all, you have to find English speakers to whom you can conversate. The speaker can be your tutor, your English teacher, or your seniors, and most probably even you can speak with your parents to improve your English. Number two is challenge yourself. Definitely, dear students, if you are having willpower, if you are challenging yourself daily, it definitely leads you to improve yourself. Number three is reading newspapers. Dear learners, to improve your vocabulary, to improve your reading skills, comprehension skills, you have to go through some newspapers. I have given a lot of time examples like some English newspapers which are very easy to comprehend, like the Tribune newspaper is there. More newspapers are there, but you can begin with the Tribune. The fourth one is keep a diary. Dear friends, as you know, we cannot remember a thing for a longer time. For a beginner, I think it will be more better if you will keep a diary and try to note it down the things which usually you learn day by day, and especially if you learn any kind of vocabulary from the newspaper, you just jot it down in your diary so that it can be a permanent record of yours. Number second picture you can see here, listen English music. Dear friends, you can improve your listening skills even while listening some English music, but it should not be too hip hop, or you can say jazz. It can be audible, or it can be easily listenable to you, or English music can be downloaded with some lyrics downside, so you can watch the lyrics and you can also sing as well side by side. Next is talk to your classmates. It is also very easy step. You can talk to your classmates, even colleagues if you are in the college, and even with your neighborhood friends to improve your spoken. Watch movies and TV shows. This step is also very helpful, as many of the students or learners are the TV lovers or shows lovers, Netflix lovers. So you can watch movies with the subtitles, and even TV shows. You can select some TV shows which can improve your English. Recording. Dear friends, one more easy step is there, as nowadays each and everyone is having their own mobile phones. You can record your own voice at home in your mobile phone. Then you can listen, and you can improve yourself if you have done or committed any kind of mistake while speaking. Okay, now let's move towards the third picture. Books are the very you can say easily available friend of ours. As if you are students, still school going learners, you can read your books, especially English books and other books which can improve your vocabulary and your interest in learning English. And next is learn phrases. Dear friends, many students or many learners usually ask, sir, that we are not able to speak fluently, or a lengthy conversation, or a longer sentences. So it is not easy to speak a longer sentences in the very beginning. You can start up with your phrases like wishing or greeting someone, or some action words. While using some action words in your daily conversation, you can later definitely will start speaking sentences. Improve vocabulary. Vocabulary is also important aspect of our spoken English. So dear learners, as much as you can find vocabulary or improve your vocabulary, you will definitely be find yourself easy to speak English. Attend online English class. if it is possible, try to attend online English classes. It will definitely enable you to improve your English, to improve your listening skills also as well. Now let's move to the fourth picture, storybooks. Dear friends, this is also a key aspect to improve our English. Storybooks, as children or learners are very fond of to read different stories, so you can improve your spoken and reading skills even as well while reading different stories in the storybooks, or novels and fictions also you can go through. Next is find study partners. If you are school going children still, you can find easily study partners of yours, friends of yours, which can help you in responding in English and finding other related material of English. Practice, practice, and practice. You might have heard practice makes a man perfect. Definitely, practice makes a man and women perfect as well. So, as much as practice you will do, it will help you to improve your English. Talk to yourself. That is also in key aspect to improve our English. You have to talk to yourself first before started speaking with someone. So you can talk to yourself in front of mirror. You can watch your reflection. You can watch yourself imitating how you are speaking, how you are moving your lips while speaking English. So it is a very best technique and without any cost. The last picture. Now let us see the last picture. Don't be afraid of mistakes. If you are making mistakes, it means you are really learning English. But don't be like saying that I am making mistakes, I cannot speak English. Definitely, if you are making mistakes, it means you are definitely trying to learn something. So after mistakes, definitely you will improve yourself. Next is stay motivated. Motivation is very important aspect. See, if you are motivated yourself, motivation is of two kinds, inside or outside, inner motivation or outside motivation. You should be inner motivated. If you are inner side motivated, it means no other person will motivate you, or no other persons will ask you to improve yourself. You will be motivated yourself, and definitely one day you will be a good speaker of English. Copy a native speaker. You might meet some native speakers in your daily life, or once in a month or fortnightly. So try to copy them. How actually they imitate, how actually they speak, how actually they command over their English. So you can imitate them. Work on your pronunciation. Dear learners, sometimes if our pronunciation is not good, it is you can say find problematic to understand, to comprehend what actually you want to say. So you side by side also have to work on your pronunciation as well. So as all of you are having mobiles nowadays, you can download a mobile dictionary also, which will enable you to find some typical words, meanings. And nowadays even a key speaker is there in the dictionary, which will enable you to listen that word and their actual pronunciation. So dear friends, I think all of you will try to act on all these 20 steps, and definitely one day you will be a good English speaker, and you can improve your different skills. This will definitely help all of you, not only for IELTS learners but other students also. You can subscribe my channel, you can like it, share it, and also you can find different English material on my Facebook page, Verma Tutorials. So dear friends, I think all of you are learning and getting tremendous benefits of these videos. Till then, stay tuned. Have a nice day.